Hi, I'm Jessica Berlin. I'm the founder and managing director of CoStruct. We're a strategy advisory based in Berlin, Germany, and I'm also a 2017 alumna of the ADEL program at Policy Center for the New South. At CoStruct, we advise public, private, and nonprofit sector partners about impact strategy and global partnership development. We also function as a do tank, designing our own programs that advance interests at the intersection of business, tech innovation, and sustainability. African Futures is our flagship impact program that we've designed. African Futures is a digital platform that helps entrepreneurs across the continent gain access to the resources and networks they need to scale their businesses. The impetus behind African Futures was actually a frustration with how existing programs meant to support entrepreneurs in some cases actually diluted the ecosystem and diverted founders' attention away from their core business, instead leading people to spend lots of time looking for grants, looking for small funding opportunities that, while in the near term might give them access to a bit more seed funding to survive, they weren't really plugged into a long-term strategy, resource network, and partner network that would allow them to focus on their core business. Originally, African Futures was conceived as a conference that would actually bring all these people and players together to design something new, something better. As the discussions around the conference evolved, we came to realize that convening was already happening. We realized that through the conversations we were having around designing a conference, we were actually already designing the framework of what the conference was meant to explore. So with that in mind and being practically minded, we pivoted from a conference to a platform. Thanks to the support of the Policy Center for the New South, we were able to design a prototype for the African Futures platform. The COVID-19 crisis certainly slowed us down, but I think at the end of the day, when I reflect on the past year, it actually served a positive purpose in that it forced us to test our assumptions, push back on some of the things we had planned, and ask ourselves, how can we do this remotely? How can we leverage digital infrastructure to be more effective and to reach a maximum number of people across the continent, not only in pandemic times, but also in normal times? We have an exciting number of partnerships across 3 continents, and we greatly look forward to what the next year will bring. Thanks very much to the Policy Center for the New South, to all members of the ADEL community who contributed to African Futures, and we look forward to an exciting continued future together.